Welcome to this very short screencast talking you through how to register and access your college's subscription to IET electrical regulations. The Learning Hub team have set up access to this to help you with your electrical installation course. The first step is registering online. You will need to use your college email to set up an account. This email is your college username, essentially your college number, followed by @student.rnngroupac.uk. You can access your email easily on college on the student portal or by using Gmail at college on the computers or on your Chromebook. It is important you know how to access your email, as you need to access it to confirm your account for IET wiring regulations and other resources to support with that. Now let's go to the correct website. The easiest way to get to the link is from our website. Here is the address. Right, so clicking here, we're going to now move across to the website you need to set up your account. Okay, so we're going to go on the top right to create your account. Now the correct website loaded. What we need to do is click on create our vital source account and complete the form. Now it's simply your information, so your basic information and an email. When you have completed this form, our verification email will be sent to your college email account. You will need to click on a link on this email to confirm your access. Now let's look at what to do when accessing the website normally. You can go straight to the web address and log into IET wiring regulations. Again, this is at the top right. You can sign in using your college login and password that you have kept in a safe place so others cannot use it. When you've logged in successfully, this is what you'll see. You need to click on the tab Explore to locate resources. Here is an example of how to load one of the documents you have access to. Thank you for watching to the end of this screencast talking you through how to access IET wiring regulations online, which gives you full tech access to help with your college studies. Should you have any queries, please get in touch with your Learning Hub team. Here are our contact details.